Did you know that one of the world's most popular sodas, Fanta, was actually born out of necessity during World War II? It all started when Coca-Cola syrup, the secret formula for the classic Coke, suddenly became unavailable in Nazi Germany. Why? Because of trade embargoes imposed by the United States and naval blockades by Britain, which cut off the supply of ingredients to the German Coca-Cola brand. Faced with this major challenge, Max Keith, who was in charge of Coca-Cola's operations in Germany, had to think fast. Instead of shutting down the factories, he came up with a clever idea. Why not create new soft drink using only the ingredients that were locally available? Max and his team used apple fibers, which were a leftover from cider production, and whey, a byproduct from making cheese. They mixed in whatever else they could find during those difficult times. Basically, the leftovers of leftovers, as Max Keith himself described it. Imagine that a tasty drink created from what others might have thrown away. And here's something fun. The name Fanta actually came from a brainstorming session. The team threw around ideas until someone suggested Fanta, inspired by the German word fantasy, which means imagination. Pretty fitting because it took a lot of imagination to come up with this new soda during wartime scarcity. Fanta quickly became a hit in Germany. By 1943, sales had soared to about 3 million cases. The drink wasn't just a soda. Locals even used it as a sweet flavoring for soups and stews during sugar rationing. It was more than just refreshment. It was a small beacon of normalcy and innovation in very tough period. Once the war ended, the Coca-Cola company regained control of its German branch and the Fanta brand. The recipe was revamped, and in 1955, the company introduced a new orange-flavored version of Fanta in Italy. This bright, fruity soda was a massive success and soon spread worldwide, becoming the Fanta we all know and enjoy today. Isn't it amazing how history shapes the things we often take for granted? From wartime shortages to a global favorite, Fanta's story is as refreshing as the drink itself. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and for more such interesting content, stay tuned with us at the CSR Journal.